Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Float Art with Macrame Elegance. I wish you a wonderful day today. I am painting. I loved the video just before, my last video I made, hello. I loved it so much I want to make it a little bigger. So it's like it's twice as big now. This is a 14 by 14 I think, or 16 by 16. Pebeo green, blue, and silver, Amsterdam greenish blue, and cerulean blue. In that order, those will be our beautiful colors. Okay, pillow paint that I'm using is PPG Multipro, and let's do this. Okay, there we go. Hands a little bit. It's hard to work when you got some paint all over you. Okay, let's spread this up just a little bit. Okay, let me get. To make it more of a even circle. All right. Clean off my tools. Okay, we are going to start off with the beautiful and lovely, here she comes, Pebeo green blue. Now I do want to make this bloom have negative space, so that's about the size of a quarter almost. Yeah, about the size of a quarter. And then we have our silver. And our Amsterdam greenish blue. And oh, that drip drop's okay. And our cerulean blue. Okay. I'll be torch for any bubbles. I see you. Go away. Thank you. Okay, black oxide. This is not with Australian Floetrol because I ran out. So this is my mix that I use, and I will put the description for it in the description. Okay, hope that's not too much. All right, let's blow this out. I will use my flower hair dryer with attachment on low. Okay, it seems like whenever I do this, it always it comes to one side more than the other. Now I'm not going to move it now because it needs to come together. Otherwise, I'll let it sit here for a few seconds. Or a few minutes. I'll be back. Okay, I am going to blow in the center. See if I can get any more cells, but I do see something I need to pop. And there's another one. Come on. If that happens, I just kind of blow some of the colored paint towards the center to make the center just a little smaller. One more blow in the middle. No, I guess not. Make that a little bigger. Okay. Now I think we'll do some doodling. You have a napkin. If you're going to doodle, you want to then wipe it off. Very carefully lift it up so you don't drag it and drip drop. I've done that. Oops. Well, okay. It has two little petals. I wasn't going to do that. Oh well. I like to drag some of the color through it. Oops. Okay. Now, see what I'm doing? I'm coming up too fast, and it's kind of getting messy. That might go off anyway. Okay. Okay, looks pretty center, I think. So, let's spin this out and see how beautiful it turns out. Are you ready? Okay. Wonder if I need a little bit more. I'm not sure if I really do. I think I'll be okay. I think I'll be okay. Always clean your tools right away, then it's easier for later. Okay. Let's go. Now, even if you use the same paints, it can turn out totally different, but this is turning out very